If you're experiencing login issues with Klarna, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your app. If you're using the Klarna app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Check your app store for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Klarna's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Klarna. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.